Ever wished you could unlock Facebook monetization even if you're in a non-monetization country? Sounds impossible, right? Well, I'm here to show you how it's done, with a solution that's not only effective but surprisingly simple. Stick around, and by the end, you'll have a working monetization account. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to create multiple accounts in just a few clicks using GoLogin, a tool that simplifies everything. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. So, let's get started. Open Google Chrome and type in Gologen. Click on the first link that appears, or use the link I've dropped in the description to take you directly there. Hit that download button, and when prompted, select Windows to download the version that works best for most PCs. Once the download is complete, open up the Gologen software. Now that Gologen is installed, let's set up your account. When you open the software, click Sign Up. It's straightforward. Just enter your email, create a password, confirm it, and tap Sign Up. Once you're in, Gologen will ask a few setup questions like, what's your reason for using Gologen? Select an option that resonates. I chose CEO/founder to align with my business goals. Now, for the interesting part, decide how many accounts you're planning to create. Let's go with 50 for this example, but Gologen lets you scale as needed. When asked about using their API, select No for now. After a couple more quick questions, your account is ready to go. You'll see an interface that looks sleek and intuitive. So with Gologen all set up, we're one step closer to creating that Facebook monetization account. Ready to jump into the actual profile creation? Here's where it gets interesting. In the top right corner of Gologen, you'll see an option to add a profile. Click on that, and you'll need to select a proxy. I'll go with a UK proxy for this example. Once you've set that up, create the profile and hit Run. Now let's head over to Facebook. With your Gologen profile active, open Facebook and click Create Account. Here's where it's super simple. Just enter your first name, last name, email, and create a strong password. Add your date of birth and click Sign Up. Facebook will send a verification code to your email, so open up your inbox, grab that code, and enter it on Facebook. Congratulations! You've successfully created a monetized Facebook account. Now that your account is up and running, it's time to add those finishing touches, a profile picture, a background, whatever makes your profile feel complete. And there you have it, a Facebook monetization account, right from your non-monetization country. It's that easy. For those who want to take it a step further, GoLogin offers a range of plans to suit your needs, so explore the options and choose what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share it with friends who might need this guide. Let's keep building these digital pathways together.